In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a PayPal account quickly and easily. PayPal is a great way to simplify online payments and is one of the most popular ways to pay online. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a PayPal account in just a few steps. And make your first payment so you can start shopping and making payments with ease. Creating a PayPal account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. With a few clicks you can be set up with a secure and convenient way to make payments online. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create your very first PayPal account. We'll explain how to add your bank account and payment details, how to make payments securely, and how to set up additional features for extra security. So, let's get started. Follow these easy steps and you'll have your PayPal account set up in no time. Setting up a PayPal account is a simple and straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up your account easily and quickly. Step 1. Go to the PayPal website to start the process. Visit the PayPal website at www.paypal.com and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Choose the account type next. You'll need to choose the type of account you want to create. PayPal offers two types of accounts, a personal account, which is best for casual use, and a business account, which is ideal for businesses and entrepreneurs. Select the option that best suits your needs. Step 3. Enter your personal information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and email address. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used to verify your account. Step 4. Link your bank account or credit card to make payments and receive money through PayPal. You'll need to link a bank account or credit card to your account. Enter your account details and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Step 5. Confirm your email address. Once you have filled out the necessary information, PayPal will send an email to the address provided in Step 3. You will need to confirm your email address by clicking on the link in the email sent to you by PayPal. Step 6. Log into your account. Once you have confirmed your email, you can now log into your PayPal account, and it's ready for use. You may be asked to complete additional verification steps, such as providing your ID or passport, depending on the country you are in. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now set up and ready to use. Keep in mind that PayPal may require additional verification steps if they suspect any suspicious activity. It's always a good idea to keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly. Thanks for watching.